Welcome to Ride Radar. Today, we dive into the all-new 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6, a vehicle that blends rugged utility with modern features. Known for its reliability and robust design, the Bolero continues to be a favorite among SUV enthusiasts and daily users alike. Design and exterior. The 2025 Bolero B6 retains its classic boxy silhouette but comes with subtle refinements. The front features a refreshed grille with bold chrome accents, sleek headlamps with LED DRLs, and a sturdy bumper that emphasizes its tough persona. Side cladding and alloy wheels enhance the rugged appeal, while the rear design gets modern tail lamps and a cleaner bumper layout. Overall, it's an SUV built to handle both city streets and rural roads with confidence. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Bolero B6 offers a spacious cabin designed for comfort and practicality. The dashboard is neatly organized with a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and USB ports. Comfortable seating with durable upholstery ensures long drives are fatigue-free. Additional features include power windows, climate control, and a multifunction steering wheel, giving a balanced mix of convenience and utility. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Bolero B6 is powered by a reliable diesel engine, paired with a manual transmission. The engine delivers a smooth torque output, making it capable of handling rough terrains as well as city traffic efficiently. Its suspension setup ensures stability and comfort, whether you're navigating potholes or highways. Safety and features. Safety has been a key focus. The Bolero B6 comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders. These features make it a dependable choice for families and daily commuters who value security alongside performance. Conclusion. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6 perfectly balances ruggedness, modern features, and practicality. Whether it's for work, family, or adventure, this SUV continues to stand out in its segment. For more updates on the latest cars and SUVs, stay tuned to Ride Radar.